Hey, how you doing, everybody? This is John, and we're going to be doing the unboxing. It's going to be for the General Electric Sync Reveal High Definition 12-inch Smart Under Cabinet Bar. It's going to be for the lighting bar. All right, so when you open up the box, as you can see from there, you're giving the main instruction packet. You're also given the quick startup guide. You are given a small package of parts that you're going to need. You are also given the light bar. You are given a one cord connecting. That's if you decide to connect it to another light bar. And you're given the plug-in as well. Now, the instruction booklet is really important because when you open it up, you'll be given a list of tools that you're going to need. It also describes the parts that you have. And also with the quick startup guide, it just tells you quickly what you can do, how you can sync it with your phone. So this is a pretty cool thing. You can also check out my YouTube channel and playlist for the manual, for both the startup guide and for the installation guide as well. Hey, thanks a lot for checking out this quick video. I really appreciate it. Be sure to check out the testing video for this product where I show you what the light looks like. It also has different colors, and also check out the videos for the manual for the quick guide and the installation. You guys have a great day. See you later.